This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jason LaBelle. Brand new roof being installed. Take a look at this wonderful 3-bedroom 2-bath home located on a corner lot in beautiful Largo. Brand new wood-look vinyl flooring adorns the living areas of this charming home, and huge windows bring in ample natural light into the living and dining room areas. The kitchen is equipped with newer stainless steel appliances as well as plenty of cabinet space, and the separate dining area will support very large formal dining sets. From here, a set of French doors lead out to the fenced backyard with a patio area that has great potential. The large master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, and the split bedroom floor plan boasts guest bedrooms that are very spacious. Not in a flood zone. Block construction. This home is right down the street from John S. Taylor Park and the Pinellas Trail, and is a short drive to beautiful beaches, shopping and entertainment.